Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Meta campaign ROAS using Advantage Plus Shopping. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Meta campaign ROAS using Advantage Plus Shopping, begin by logging into your Meta Ads Manager. Navigate to the Campaigns tab once you're inside. Select the campaign you want to review. Check the current ROAS metrics to understand your baseline performance. Next, click on the Edit button to access your campaign settings. Scroll down to the Ad Set section. Ensure that your audience targeting is optimized for your ideal customers. Adjust your budget based on performance data to maximize efficiency. Then, locate the Advantage Plus Shopping option in the settings. Enable Advantage Plus Shopping to leverage automated targeting. Set the campaign objective to sales to prioritize conversions. Review your product catalog to ensure all items are relevant and well-stocked. Incorporate high-quality images and engaging product descriptions. Utilize dynamic ads to automatically showcase your best items. Monitor your results in real time to identify any immediate changes in ROAS. Adjust your bidding strategy to be more competitive if needed. Consider experimenting with different ad placements for better reach. Finally, run A/B tests to compare variations in your ads and refine your strategy. Continue to analyze performance data weekly to stay on top of your ROAS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.